Scientists and spiritual leaders agree that the numbers carry energy, and few are as powerful as 1111. This iconic number is believed to open a portal to infinite possibilities, making it the perfect time to manifest your deepest desires. Whether you want to attract abundance, love, or success, the 1111 manifestation practice can help you align with universal energy and bring your dreams to life. Want to learn how you can use this method tonight to shift your reality? Stay tuned, because we're revealing it all. The number 1111 holds a special place in the world of manifestation and spiritual practices. It's not just a random sequence of numbers. It's a symbol of alignment, synchronicity, and universal connection. When you see 1111, it's like the universe is tapping you on the shoulder, signaling that you are in a moment of high vibrational energy. Think of it as a cosmic green light, encouraging you to set an intention, focus on your desires, and take a step closer to manifesting your dreams. The power of 1111 lies in its ability to remind you that your thoughts have energy, and that energy can shape your reality. This is why so many people believe that when the clock strikes 11:11, it's the perfect time to channel your intentions and attract abundance into your life. But how does this work? It's not magic. It's a practice rooted in the power of belief and the law of attraction. With the right method, you can harness this energy and direct it toward manifesting what you truly desire. What makes 1111 so unique and powerful? It's often referred to as a gateway number, a portal that connects the physical and spiritual realms. In numerology, the number 11 is considered a master number, representing intuition, insight, and spiritual awakening. When it's repeated twice, as in 1111, its power is amplified. This sequence is believed to align with the energy of the universe, creating a perfect moment to connect with your higher self and your true desires. Beyond numerology, many believe that 1111 appears as a sign of synchronicity, a meaningful coincidence that signals you are on the right path. It's a reminder that your thoughts are powerful and that the universe is ready to support you. Think of it as a direct line to the energy of creation. But it's not enough to simply notice 1111. You must act during this window of opportunity. By focusing your mind, setting a clear intention, and aligning your energy, you can turn this moment into a powerful tool for manifestation. This isn't just a theory. It's a practice you can use tonight to attract the abundance you've been dreaming of. So, why wait? The power of 1111 is waiting for you to tap into it. Before you begin the 1111 manifestation practice, it's crucial to prepare your environment and your mind. This step sets the tone for the energy you'll bring into your practice. Start by choosing a quiet, comfortable space where you won't be disturbed. You might dim the lights, light a candle, or play some soft, calming music. Anything that helps you feel at peace and connected to yourself. The goal is to create a space that feels sacred and intentional, free from distractions or negativity. Once your environment is ready, take a few deep breaths to center yourself. This simple act of slowing down your breath signals to your mind that it's time to focus. Let go of any stress or worries from the day and allow your thoughts to settle. Remember, the energy you bring into this practice will influence the outcome, so it's important to approach it with calmness and positivity. The more aligned and present you feel, the more effective your manifestation practice will be. With everything prepared, you're now ready to move into the most important part, setting your intention. The foundation of any manifestation practice is a clear and powerful intention. This is the moment where you decide exactly what you want to attract into your life. Be specific, because the universe responds best to clarity. Instead of saying, "I want to be successful," say something like, "I want to attract a fulfilling job that pays $5,000 more per month." When you're precise, you give your mind and the universe a clear roadmap to follow. Take a moment to reflect on your desires. What truly lights you up? What abundance do you want to invite into your life? Once you've decided, write it down or say it out loud. This step not only solidifies your intention but also activates your subconscious mind. The more emotionally connected you feel to your desire. As you set your intention, imagine it as if it's already yours. Feel the joy, excitement, and gratitude of having it in your life. By aligning your emotions with your intention, you create a powerful vibrational match that draws your desire closer to you. This is the first step to turning your dreams into reality. The universe is listening. Now it's time to make your wish known. Visualization is one of the most powerful tools in the 1111 manifestation practice. This is where you paint a vivid mental picture of your desired outcome. Close your eyes and imagine your goal as if it has already happened. See yourself living the life you dream of. What does it look like, feel like, and even sound like? Use all your senses to make the vision as real as possible. For example, if you're manifesting financial abundance, imagine checking your bank account and seeing the numbers you desire. Feel the excitement and relief of financial freedom. The key here is emotion. Your feelings are the energetic force behind your visualization. The more joy, gratitude, and excitement you can generate, the stronger your manifestation will be. As you visualize, trust that the universe is already working to align your reality with your vision. Even if you can only hold this image for a few minutes, it creates a ripple effect that can transform your life. Visualization isn't just about daydreaming, it's about stepping into the energy of your future self and letting that energy guide your present actions. During the exact moment of 11:11, it's time to supercharge your manifestation with affirmations. Affirmations are short, positive statements that help reprogram your mind and align your energy with your desires. When the clock hits 11:11, take a deep breath and repeat your affirmations with conviction. Speak them out loud or in your mind, whichever feels most comfortable. The key is to believe in the words you're saying. For example, if you're manifesting abundance, you can say, "I am open to receiving unlimited abundance. Wealth flows to me effortlessly and easily." If it's love you're manifesting, try, "I am surrounded by love. I attract healthy, fulfilling relationships." Keep your affirmations simple but powerful, and repeat them multiple times during this sacred moment. As you say your affirmations, focus on the feelings behind the words. Imagine yourself already living the reality these affirmations describe. Feel the joy, gratitude, and peace of having everything you desire. This combination of words and emotion is like sending a direct signal to the universe, amplifying your intentions and speeding up the manifestation process. Gratitude is the secret ingredient that amplifies the power of manifestation. When you express gratitude, you shift your energy to one of abundance and alignment, creating a magnetic force that attracts even more positivity into your life. After completing your affirmations and visualization, take a moment to thank the universe, not just for what you are manifesting, but for everything you already have. Balance. This simple act of appreciation sends a powerful message. You are ready to receive more blessings. Think of 3 things you are deeply grateful for right now. They can be as big as having supportive relationships or as small as enjoying a beautiful sunset. Feel the gratitude in your heart as you acknowledge these blessings. Then, extend that gratitude to what you are manifesting, as if it has already come true. For instance, if you are manifesting abundance, say, "Thank you for the financial freedom I now have. Thank you for the opportunities flowing into my life." Gratitude is the bridge between your current reality and the one you're creating. By focusing on what you appreciate, you align yourself with the energy of abundance, making your manifestations even more powerful. Your manifestation practice doesn't end at 11:11, it's just the beginning. To keep the momentum going, it's important to stay aligned with your intentions throughout the day. This means maintaining a positive mindset and taking actions that reflect your belief in your manifestation. Avoid falling into negativity or doubt, as these can disrupt the energy you've created. Trust in the process and remind yourself that the universe is always working in your favor. Carry your intentions with you by using simple reminders. Write your affirmations on a sticky note and place it somewhere visible, or set a daily alarm to revisit your visualization. When negative thoughts creep in, counter them with positive ones. For example, if you start doubting your ability to attract abundance, remind yourself, "I am capable of creating the life I desire. The universe is on my side." Finally, be open to opportunities and take inspired action. Manifestation isn't just about wishing, it's about aligning your energy and actions with your goals. The universe will present you with signs, chances, and pathways to achieve your dreams, but it's up to you to take them. By staying aligned and consistent, you turn your 11:11 practice into a powerful habit that transforms your life. You've now learned the step-by-step process to harness the power of 11:11 and use it to manifest abundance into your life. This isn't just a practice. It's a way to align yourself with the universe, unlock your potential, and create a reality that reflects your deepest desires. Remember, the power of manifestation lies in your belief, your energy, and your consistent action. When you take the time to focus your intentions, visualize your dreams, and express gratitude, you open the door to limitless possibilities. As you prepare to try this method tonight, trust in yourself and the process. Even if you don't see instant results, know that every step you take is building momentum and bringing you closer to your goals. The universe works in its own timing, and your role is to stay open, aligned, and ready to receive. Take this opportunity tonight to embrace the magic of 11:11. When the clock strikes, make your intentions clear, speak your affirmations, and feel the energy of abundance flow into your life. You have the power to create incredible change. Don't underestimate what you're capable of. If you're ready to attract wealth, love, and success, now is the time to act. The universe is waiting for you to take the first step. And if you found this guide helpful, share your experience or your intentions in the comments. Let's inspire each other to manifest the life we all deserve. Remember, you are worthy of abundance, and it's already on its way to you. Let's make it happen, starting tonight.